Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Thursday to you. Another day in the market, man. Y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Alright, market pulling back a little more. All good, everything expected. Um, we supposed to get that. It's looking good for the interest rate cut for September. We're gonna see how things gonna hold up until then. But as of now, it's looking like we got a good chance of having it. I don't think he's gonna do but 25 points. I mean, that's not gonna make no big dent in the economy, to be honest. You know, if he do two at 25 point, that's a half a percent. I mean, it's better than nothing. But like I say, man, for y'all that's following me, 2025 gonna be a sad eye year. 2026, you're gonna see some things starting to happen, to unfold, but you're not gonna see the effects of it, the feel effects really of 2027. So y'all need to take advantage of the rest of this year, all of next year, and see what unfolds for 2027. Just my personal opinion. You are the CEO of your portfolio. Always remember that. I had to show y'all what I'm buying and doing. If you like it, imitate it. But at the end of the day, in the final decision, everything is on you. Let's get to trading. All right, we're going to take a OXLC, man. Oxford Lane Capital. Got down to 318 today, paying 8 cents a share of my dividend. This is getting beat down right now. I'm buying this 3 to 5 shares a day. I know a short squeeze is gonna come. People gonna jump back into this play because you can't beat the dividend yield, and the play pays out monthly. So I'm dollar cost average till then. When the squeeze goes down, I might just hold on to the shares. I might scalp some of them and put some in like ULTY or like something. All these shares I'm buying cheap. Sell them, get some money back, and put them into another play just in case this happens again. But as of right now, I'm buying. Got a buy limit order for WU, Western Union. Think this got down to $7.97 a day. That's another one I'm waiting on the squeeze to happen. Definitely taking advantage of this dip. Right now they got a dividend yield about 10%. I want to say 11.71. See what's gonna happen here with that one. But it's definitely be one I'm a swing trade and get up out of it later. So y'all stay tuned for those that's following me. Some people like this for a dividend play. We're gonna go at the Dow. Even though it's green today, the Dow is still down. It's gonna lower the average cost there. But you do have some people that like Western Union. Like I said, I think there's no moat right now around the bank. The bank stocks and SoFi is like one of the hottest things going on now. Especially that online digital banking. OXSQ they met expectations as far as earnings. We'll see what's gonna happen here. But you know, I get my 5 shares a day anyway. $2.30. Can't beat a dividend yield. This cheap stock. TCPC had bad earnings. They missed their earnings. BlackRock, this is BDC. I'm at 850, 697. Dividend yield 16.46%. 596 million market cap. 52 low, $6.27. Like I said, the REIT and the BDC, those sectors would benefit from interest rate cuts. So this your accumulation stage. This is your REIT slash BDC winner. So I don't know your future plans for your stocks, but you see what I am doing. If you like what I'm doing, follow my lead. Horizon Technology, 11 cent a share a month dividend. Don't get $5 worth of these prices here because it's cheap. It's gonna go back past the $8 mark. INTC Intel getting this butt whooped too. Definitely time to add on here. Bring that average cost down. Drop below 19. I'm gonna do $5 a day. ticker ORC. Orchid Island did a video about this stock too yesterday. Y'all might want to check it out. 12 cents a share a month. I already got my 1,000 shares, so basically just lowering my average cost with it. And accumulating ARR, they got a stock offering going on, so the price came down. Every time to buy at these prices here, 24 cents a share a month dividend. We're gonna go SVOL, man. This is some cash flow here, man. Y'all wait, man. Once these prices go up, you're just gonna be sitting back chilling. 30 cents a share a month. Get a little bit more of that. We're gonna go IVR. Another REIT, 34 cents a share a month out quarterly. It's buying and lowering the average cost there. Accumulating PSEC. Made a new 52-week low at 277. Might have came lower now, 275. I know this one here gonna squeeze in the future. I'm getting them 5 shares a day, lowering my average cost. I'm at 437. MSTY. PSEC is another BDC that's gonna benefit from interest rate cuts. Those are business development companies. Put a buy order on this one at $18.91 today. Still below my average cost. We're gonna ride out, like I say, MicroStrategy moves quick, man. 5 million trades for the day. USOY. I think today should be the ex-dividend date. I know ULTY paying 13. No, this one paying 13.33 cents a share for the week. $5 of this one today. USOI. Paid like $2.40 a share out last month for July. Definitely lowering my average cost at this price here. ULTY. Got down to 603 today. Let's reinvest in the dividends. Like I say, not loading up on nothing. Coney. I got a buy order in the ULTY at $5.95 though. So if it hit that, Coney on his way back up. So fiat about to come back down. That's why when them stocks down, you got to take advantage of them. That PFE Pfizer on the way back up. The guy was trading last 2 days below the $23 mark. Get some more of that. Got land. Like that one trying to go up again. Lower my average cost here. Don't think about it. All these shares you buying at these prices, you can always sell them later when they get around that price you want. You can take and scalp profits. UPS, another one, got in another portfolio in buy range. Got a dividend payment coming out September 4th. Two Harbors. Take advantage of this below the $10 mark. Double-digit dividend yielder. KHC, Kraft Heinz. Buy under the $29 mark. TSLY options on Tesla. $5 worth of that. This one I'm thinking about going to buy another 100 shares of in my Cash App portfolio, my growth. I think it was down to $26.61 today. I like to take advantage below the $27 mark. Got this on a $1 day recurring. I just go buy extra $2 with it when it's under $27. WN Wendy's. It's another one. See what's gonna happen here. $5 of Wendy's. Especially while it's below the $11 mark. RYLD. I like this 16 and under. This coming down. Hopefully it can bust that 14.25 when it dip down to that. Gonna go OPI. Another swing trade, man. It's an office REIT. Time some plays you want to get out of, man. You got to hold your nose and buy. But at least when I do swing trades, I try to swing trade stuff that pay a dividend. 10 more shares of that. That's Best Buy. Don't have in this portfolio. Can go with Ready Capital. Trading at $4.16. They just pay 12.5% a share out quarterly, or 15 cents, one or the other. BGS Foods had a good run on yesterday. Now back down below it was below the 397 mark. Take advantage of this pull back there. HPP. This one also pulling back. One I say to stay out of, man. 3.3% dividend yield. I'm gonna see whether it's gonna come down some more. I wanted under that 225. Let me see what BGS Food when it did come down. I had bad earnings this week. It came down to 367. As for the low. So still got to accumulate some of that and get them 5 and see what happens. Matter of fact, this mic can come down some more. We're gonna see. Today only not even $1 million worth of trade value. Last couple of days have been in the millions. Let me my cash up. I'm gonna change this order. Get 2 shares a day. Stretch my money out. Don't know how long this gonna be down. All right, let's go check out traps. Got some good cash flow. So we not missing nothing. You know the market coming down. September, the worst month of the year. They already told it's gonna be a little volatile for August. And it is what it is, man. Just part of trading. I mean, they say at the end of the year the market can end up higher. Like I see, all my investing I'm doing now is for 2027. I'm just gonna sit back and get these dividends and chill. Reinvest them, CHMI. It's gonna go back past the $3 mark. I don't need my, to live off my dividends now, so I'm just growing my portfolio out. We did get TCPC, Comcast. This one I'm gonna get rid of. Or put this money into like RYLD or something to a double-digit yield ETF. I'm definitely about to be buying this stock here. She's at 31.80. 52-week low is 31.44. Okay, what did I just buy today? 5. I need to be getting $10 worth of this. To bring down that average cost while it's cheap. Got pets. Alright, got pets. Gonna go get some of this. 311 a day. When it does it squeeze it in, it did a squeeze last week. I missed out on it. Got the 410. I didn't have my sell order ready. But I got it ready on this one. But I'm still accumulating some more shares while it's cheap. We did get RYLD. PFLT is another one I like. I'm at 1038. I want this to come down near the $10 mark. 882 to 52-week low. Just gonna cash up and get that dividend for now. Put that money in some other places. I need to come down in this one here also. Brandywine also had bad earnings. Accumulate some of that slowly too. That's another REIT. Play you can stay out of though. Like I say, in the future, in REITs and BDCs, they're gonna get beat up, man. So they got too many like cover call ETFs you could buy for like cash flow. You take less risk as far as on the dividend cuts. Lionel Basel, we know this one had bad earnings. Never got to take advantage of this. So this did get up to like $69 or $66 in the last 30 days. So more than likely gonna shoot back that way, but you got to put yourself in a position so when the squeeze happens, you'll be there and ready. AFCG marijuana stock, another one coming down in, getting a half a share a day. We did get IVR, got USOI, Goldman Sachs, BDC, another nice one for a quarterly dividend. Option on Disney, Diesel I call it. Another nice one to have. If you don't own Disney, you own this, get paid for holding shares. Let them do the options on it. Bring down my average cost on that one too. Walmart pulling back. It did hit the $100 mark. That's why I be telling you, this is the sleeper here. Walmart, FSK had bad earnings. Pays out monthly, $18.94, $18.74 I'm at. Yeah, some of this at that price. See if I got this on $1 recurring investment. I thought I did. I think I took it off. Yeah, I took it off, which is cool. I just buy that at my own will when it's low. Got Glad, AIYY down 3.01%. I think I should start buying a share of this like every day. Being that it's so cheap and it pays out monthly. Should do a video on AIYY. IWMYXDTEs, those pay out weekly but need to come down some more for me to mess with it. FIAT not low enough. You should get a good dividend, man, from FIAT, from Fiat for August. Yep, and that's it, man. Good trade today. Y'all stay safe out there and stay, well, I ain't gonna say cool, because they say down here in Savannah, Georgia, we're gonna have next couple of days gonna be cooler. So see what's gonna happen. But signing off, go get your money.